We've all been about to leave a party before because we felt the night wasn't going anywhere, when suddenly Todd reaches out and says, "Have another beer, mate." And you end up waking up in the tiger enclosure of Whipsnade Zoo at 4 AM. Sometimes YouTube videos can be like the start of that party for your viewers. When you look at your stats, they all seem to abandon ship and kill your video's performance. Luckily, there is a simple solution to hand your viewers that legendary digital beer so they keep partying on your channel through the use of cards, or TODs as we should call them. A YouTube card, or TOD, is a link you can add to your video just before you notice the drop in viewers hit. On the card, you can point people towards a playlist or another video on your channel. Have a think about what they're watching and then choose one of the videos you feel is relevant to the content and add it. The pop-up and title might just be enough to pull them in the direction they had originally hoped for. Hopefully your videos rock, so you don't ever need to do this. If they don't, then watch this video here all about how to pick the best topics and titles. That's how you're going to make sure you never need to use this. And join us on our 10-year channel growing adventure where we'll teach you everything you need to know about growing your own channels. Good luck and Godspeed.